बहुत बार मेरे पास प्रश्न आते हैं स्टूडेंट से कि सर जब हम किसी अजनबी से बात करते हैं अंग्रेजी में तो हम क्यों अटक जाते हैं और हम नर्वस क्यों हो जाते हैं. To them I want to say that it's a problem which is not with you only, which is with everybody, because most of the times it has been seen that we do not know the man who we are going to talk to, and as we know, we do not know who he is, what his language is going to be, what is his command over the language, so we always feel a bit of nervous. But then that is because we are not confident. I believe that confidence is the cornerstone of one's communication. If you are very strong, you have very good confidence, then only it's going to be possible for you to talk to the people, whosoever is going to be there. Suppose I am there, I want to talk to somebody, I will never have any inhibitions. I will have no problem, because it doesn't make any difference. Whosoever is going to be there, I will be talking to him. But in your case, होता क्या है कि उसको आप अच्छी तरह से जानते नहीं है, अंदर ही एक किस्म की घबराहट होती है, नर्वसनेस होती है, जिसकी वजह से आपकी जबान लड़खड़ाती है और आप फंबल करते हैं, जबकि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. मैं बार बार कह चुका हूं, एक बात तो अच्छी तरह से समझ लो कि जब आप किसी से बात करते हैं, एक लैंग्वेज होती है, वो किसी भी नॉलेज का बैरोमीटर हो नहीं सकता है. तो अगर आप गलत भी बोलेंगे तो क्या हुआ, हमें कम्युनिकेट करना पड़ेगा. हालांकि इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि ग्रामर गलत होना चाहिए. मैं ये हमेशा बोलता हूं, ग्रामर सही होना चाहिए, क्योंकि जब आप ग्रामर सही रखेंगे तब आप भी कॉन्फिडेंट होंगे, सामने वाले को भी समझने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं होनी चाहिए. इसलिए whenever you are going to talk to any particular person, keep in mind that you have to communicate your ideas, you have to convey your ideas to him. You must use simple words. There should not be any jargon, and you should not use any bombastic words, because that's where the impression will go off together. It will be altogether different. So if you really want to create a positive impression, it is that you should keep your language very simple, very polite. There should be a broad smile on your face and talk to that person. एक और क्वेश्चन जो जनरली आता है कि जब हम किसी विषय पर बोलते हैं, हम बीच में भूल जाते हैं. हमने जो सोचा होता है, बैठते वो अलग होता है, और जब हम खड़ा होते हैं बोलने के लिए तो वो अलग ही हो जाता है. ऐसा क्यों होता है? तो टू दिस क्वेश्चन आई वांट टू से कि जब ये बड़े बड़े लोगों को भी यही बात हो जाती है. यहाँ तक कि अगर आप देखोगे बड़े बड़े प्रधानमंत्री, राष्ट्र अध्यक्ष, वो लिखित में बोलते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि उनको बोलना नहीं आता है, मगर उनको इसी बात का अंदेशा होता है कि कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि लेस दे शुड फॉरगेट. But for that, I believe that when you are going to be there speaking on a particular issue, just organize yourself first. Make sure that the points that you are going to discuss are going to be very well put, and they will be there in your mind. And once you start speaking without any kind of the nervousness. Make the chronology of those very particular points one by one. Think that you have to speak 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 points. Then go on elaborating one by one. And I am sure that you will not forget. But the problem with the people is that when they stand up with a bit of nervousness. And when they are sitting down, they are in the comfort zone. And because of being there in the comfort zone, they think that they are going to be comfortable, so they do not forget anything. But when they stand up, they know that they have to meet the people, they have to run into the people, they have to put their eyes into the eyes of the people, and that's where they are not going to be that confident. It is for this very reason I find that most of the people forgetting the points which they have to actively dilate upon. So, मेरा ये कहना है कि जब आप खड़े हो जाएं, इत्मीनान से खड़े हो जाएं, लंबी सांस ले लें और आराम से एक एक पॉइंट बोले, और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है आप कभी नहीं भूलेंगे. धन्यवाद.